Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to update Selenium CDP version full guide. Start by identifying your browser CDP version and current Selenium release. Next, compare compatibility tables and decide whether to upgrade Selenium, the browser, or both. Use virtual environments and lock files to test changes safely. I'll walk you through commands to update drivers, set CDP version flags, and validate successful connections using simple checks. Open your browser and find the CDP version in Developer Tools or the About page, then note it down. In your terminal, run Package Manager commands to list installed Selenium and driver versions. Compare those versions against known compatibility charts to identify mismatches. If versions differ, plan which component to update first and ensure tests run in an isolated environment before changing production dependencies. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly for transport, perfect for busy test engineers on the go. I use them to keep snacks safe between test runs. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. First, update Selenium via your package manager and run local tests to reveal issues quickly. Then update the browser driver so it matches the browser's CDP version, adjusting path or using an automated driver manager. Modify your Selenium startup code to set CDP version flags or capabilities when necessary and rerun tests. Finally, validate that CDP commands succeed by executing a basic DevTools command and checking for expected responses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.